Hi, it's me again. And I'm here again in Grand Peace Online to show you how to get to Roca Island. What a beautiful day to go sailing on the ocean. Alright, we have no time to waste. I am currently on Shellstown for filming because it's closer to the location. And now I have to get on my ship. Be careful, this item is a pretty early game item. I bought my katana pretty early game and it was pretty good. So yeah, let's head to Roca Island. You are going to have to go northeast, I think. We'll see right now. No, you're gonna have to go east. From Shellstown. If you want to go to Roca Island from the Island of Beginnings, you're gonna have to keep going northeast. You get me? I hope you get me. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. See you at Shellstown. And we are here at Roca Island, a peaceful island in the middle of the place. In the middle of the place, that makes no sense. In the middle of the ocean. So we're just gonna get ourselves up here. You're gonna climb this little ladder. It's not a ladder. You're gonna climb this. Then climb this. Then you're gonna run. Climb this. There's a lot of climbing here on Roca Island. I would just use my Skywalk, which is an ability that I only have because I have Blackleg. See right there, Skywalk. That's it. Alright, but this video is not about Blackleg, the last one was. So you're going to go into this middle house, right here, and you're gonna buy a katana. And it's gonna cost you 999 pelly or money, because 999 pelly is 999 in-game money. After you buy a katana, you're gonna talk to this dude, Jaggy, right here. Hi, I'm Jaggy, the one sword style trainer. You're gonna tell him, bro, teach me. Okay, I teach you only if you have 10k pelly and you need a katana, bro. And you're gonna tell him, yeah, I have your money, but I won't buy it right now because I'm still trying to max out Blackleg. I still have the 125 Blackleg mastery move. So maybe after that I would buy this and max it out and then see which one I prefer. So that was the end of our little video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload an awesome video about games and stuff. Bye!